Raamdeo Agrawal is one such Indian who attends his AGMs every year. He joins us now. Raamdeo, good to have you on ET Now. Thank you for joining us. Raamdeo, Warren Buffett, the man comes to India today. Your thoughts on that and a word on his unique style of investing.
I think the world knows him as one of the richest man in the world, and the way he has made money in the stock market, in investments. I think one of the first thing which comes to my mind is the kind of wisdom he has spread around about investing, about corporate governance, and the general influence he has in the investment thinking. So a lot of good feelings come the moment you think about him.
Indeed, Raamdeo. So are there a whole lot of opportunities for Warren Buffett in the existing crisis-led world? What's your thought on that?
See, the whole lot of stock possibilities for him. The issue is that the kind of ticket size he's looking at now, where the most recent purchase is about $9 billion. So in the current conditions, he being foreign citizen, his corporation being American corporation, what can he buy of those orders, 10, 15, 20 billion dollars? I really can't think of anything where he can put that kind of, his billions into the market.
Raamdeo, could I ask you a market specific question? Buffettology, as we all say, is often about buying fear, buying value and buying margin of safety. Where do you mind in Indian markets there are pockets of opportunity and pockets of safety?
Clearly, markets were overestimating the growth potential of the companies, say 10 years back, and they priced in very high amount of growth, and they have not come true. So what has happened is earnings have remained static, and P multiple has come down. So clearly the stocks are not performed. So clearly these are the stocks with the pricing power, but growth was overestimated in the past.
Given the state of the world economy, Raamdeo, at present, what's your thought? Would emerging markets like India continue to underperform for some more time to come?
But for not wrong reasons, the kind of thing we have gone through and what we are going through right now in terms of oil price increase, our independence of 80% for our oil imports, the kind of scams and corporate governance issues which has come in recent times, and now emerging market concerns from Libya or Egypt earlier. So I think it's not that we have our story is not being impacted, and then this current year's underperformance is on the back of tremendous performance just a year back. So I think there has to be some catch up between after the huge outperformance. You are seeing some amount of underperformance right now.
Raamdeo, the Buffett style of investing is about buying companies which have strong operating profit margins, businesses which enjoy pricing power, and companies which have a moat around them. So if Buffett had to invest in India based on his style of investing, which are the stocks you think he could buy in India?
Yes, I would gather some, take a deep breath and, will go around and find stocks. So clearly some of the segments are showing the stress of, higher interest rate, or, cycles are correcting, say in automotive stocks, banks, some of the mid-cap stocks. So clearly values are emerging, beyond doubt values are emerging.